In today's guide, I'll put you through on how to start meeting in Microsoft Teams and also how people that want to participate in the meeting will join in the meeting. So we are covering two things in one. Let's just get right into it. Okay, get your PC connected to the internet as somebody that want to start the meeting and then open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Here, I want to use Microsoft Edge, all right? So I'll click on it for it to open. Once your browser opens, visit teams.microsoft.com. Okay, once the app opens, we are accessing it through the web here. Once it opens, the web app, you will be landed on an interface that looks like this if you have signed in on the platform using the web browser. But if you have not signed in on the platform using a web browser, the page you will see will request that you sign in. All right. So once you sign in, you'll be landed on this interface. All right. Look at this tab. This is the chat tab. This is the one that is selected by default. But if you find yourself here, or find yourself here, or find yourself in calendar, please click on chat. All right. This is the area that allows us to start meeting. Okay, let's assume I want to start a meeting here now. So what I will need to do is to click on this icon, this video like icon, that is meet now. All right, it's a meeting symbol. So click on that. Now your name is registered here by default based on what you used to create your Microsoft account. Okay, so I will leave it this way, but if you want to change something, just change something. Maybe official meeting or business meeting or finance meeting, just give it a name of your choice. But here, I want to leave it with meeting with Godwin Mike. Okay, then if you want to get a link you want to share with people that will participate in the meeting, just click on this option, get a link to meeting, get a link to share. So I'll click on this to get a link. Then I will select this option share by email, or I can copy it and send to them on WhatsApp or using this app as well. Okay, so let me share it with one or two persons through WhatsApp or through this place and we start our meeting. Okay, this link I copied, I've just shared it with him and the members of my team that I want to do have the meeting with. So the next step I have to take now is to click on start meeting. And once this meeting starts, they will be able to join. Okay, here, even though I shared link with them, I can still invite them through this interface. All right. So let's say I want to invite a young man. So I will type the name here or the email address. It will pop up and he will be able to join. So let me invite Kevin Real. So I'm calling him already. So he will be the one to accept from his end to join the meeting. So as I'm calling him to join the meeting, he will get the call from his end and then accept it. In this case, I'm the one that control both laptops. So let me get accept it from that end, okay? Here, you can see Godwin Mike is calling. So I'll click on accept. Then I click on join. It's connected. So these are the two ways you can do this. You can copy a link and send to people you want to join in the meeting. Once the meeting is on and they click on the link, they can join. Or you can start the meeting and then type their email addresses or their names if they're a member of your organization and call them for them to join the meeting immediately. It's that simple. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. Here we discuss technology which cuts across so many areas of interest. We talk about how to use some software, especially utility software, all right? How to use iPhone, Android, how to use different computers, self-publishing, and YouTube education for content creators. So if you are interested in any of these content types, consider subscribing. Okay, so learn more. All right, hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. All right, so that they will know that it's valuable and recommend to more people. If we don't do that, there's no how the system will know it's a valuable content. Okay, leave a comment. Let me know what you have to say about this video. Is it helpful or you need something extra? Just say something in the comment section. All right. So learn more on how to use Microsoft Teams in more ways. Consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.